Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a new brokerage listing, a 2018 MASTERCRAFT X23 that is in super good condition. Alright, so only 176 hours on this boat at the time of the video, so really good condition. Full sea deck flooring, does have the dual screen with premium audio plus setup in it. Rear view camera will run through here up through the top of your tower. Is a pair of JL tower cans up here. Really good setup. Like I said, 176 hours. Nice seating up front, extra pair of speakers up front, and fantastic storage on board this boat. So flip up storage there, do it the other way around. And then that storage there is passed through all the way up into there. So just done really well. Like I said, really clean boat. Cool feel vinyl throughout also. So if you got any questions about this or any other brokerage boats you see online on my listings, give me a call. My cell number is 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I look forward to talking to you.